Hey, what's up? Welcome back to It's Just Gems, and I want to share a video with you guys, and it's about a new way for these scientists and these people to bring new life into the world. And it's not the mother's uterus as it has been for generations and thousands of years. They now have these little pods that you can put the baby in, and the baby will grow in this pod. Now, I don't know if Amazon brings the baby after it's finished being born. I don't know how that works. Do you fly in and pick up the baby? I have no clue. And it didn't, unfortunately, tell us in this video that I'm going to play for you. But I found it really interesting. So I wanted to share with you just to see where technology is going and what they're doing. And who knows what they're really doing with this, but we're going to just check it out. And I'm sharing based on fair use.
Facility powered entirely by renewable energy. Ectolife allows infertile couple to conceive a baby and become the true biological parents of their own offspring. It's a perfect solution for women who had their uterus surgically removed due to cancer or other complications. With Ectolife, premature births and C-sections will be a thing of the past. Ectolife is designed to help countries that are suffering from severe population decline, including Japan, Bulgaria, South Korea, and many others. The facility features 75 highly equipped labs. Each state-of-the-art lab can accommodate up to 400 growth pods or artificial wombs. Every pod is designed to replicate the exact conditions that exist inside the mother's uterus.
So these little AI babies won't have a mother's love. They won't have the mom talking to them or hearing the voices of the parents or anything like that. They're just growing up in this pod surrounded by other little pod babies and scientists. This is crazy. And I do believe this is where it's headed, because this is just a concept. They haven't actually built this lab, but it's based on scientific concepts that they already have. But I'm going to go ahead and let them finish, and then I'll come back.
A single building can incubate up to 30,000 lab-grown babies per year. Ectolife allows your baby to develop in an infection-free environment. The pods are made of materials that prevent germs from sticking to their surfaces. Every growth pod features sensors that can monitor your baby's vital signs, including heartbeat, temperature, blood pressure, breathing rate, and oxygen saturation. The artificial intelligence-based system also monitors the physical features of your baby and reports any potential genetic abnormalities. The pods are equipped with a screen that displays real-time data on the developmental progress of your baby. These data are sent directly to your phone so you can track your baby's health from the comfort of your zone. The app also provides you with a high-resolution live view of your baby's development. A special section in the app allows you to watch a time-lapse of your baby's growth and share it directly with your loved ones.
Now, that is the end of the video, but I do want to share an article from firstpost.com, and it says, "Baby in a Pod, What is Ectolife? The world's first artificial womb facility." Ectolife is a concept that offers parents to produce customized babies with the help of artificial wombs. An elite package would allow people to choose their baby's level of intelligence, height, hair, eye color, physical strength, and even skin tone. So who's gonna choose the dumb baby? I guess that's what you get if you don't have enough money to get the elite package. You just get an average human being with average height, regular old hair color, eye color. But if you want your baby to be 6 foot something, that's gonna cost you. So then it says the concept is the brainchild of Berlin-based Hashem Al-Ghaili, a producer, filmmaker, and science communicator and molecular biologist by trade, as per his website. The concept of ecto-life is based on over 50 years of groundbreaking scientific research by researchers globally. Parents can keep track of their baby's growth and development through a screen on the pods that showcase real-time data. This data can also be monitored via an app on the phone. Boy, that's what babies have come down to, is just an app on your phone you look at and say, oh, look at the baby. Oh, I see the dimples. Meanwhile, you're just living life somewhere and the baby is in this pod being looked at by scientists. Every single feature mentioned in the concept is 100% science-based and has already been achieved by scientists and engineers. The only thing left is building a prototype by combining all the features into a single device. The filmmaker was quoted as saying by Mirror.com UK. He says, once ethical constraints are relaxed, people can be willing to adopt the technology in the near future. In terms of time frame, it really depends on the ethical guidelines. Right now, research on human embryos is not allowed beyond 14 days. After 14 days, embryos must be destroyed due to ethical concerns. If these ethical restrictions are relaxed, I give it 10 to 15 years before ecto-life becomes widely used everywhere. And with the elite package, it would allow people to genetically engineer the embryo before implanting it into the artificial womb. Parents can select their baby's level of intelligence, height, hair, eye color, physical strength, and skin tone. Experts believe the technology is not that far-fetched and could become a reality in the future. So you can have two white people can choose to have a black baby if they so choose to do so, or vice versa. From a theoretical standpoint, it's possible. It's just a matter of providing a correct environment with fuel and oxygen, and I do think the technologies are there to be able to achieve that. So that's the article there, but this is so crazy to me that this is even a thing, because what happened to just getting a surrogate mother or something to just carry the baby, not some cold steel pod? What if the power goes out and the backup generator goes out and the baby is just there and the machine cut off, so we lost your baby? What if there's a mix-up? They send you this Japanese baby and you're a black couple. This is all crazy. And do you think that they're only experimenting with babies, with just regular old human babies? Or are they in the back room with the human baby mixed with a little pig? Or, you know what I'm saying? Like they try to play mad scientists, and they're obviously trying to play God for the elite package. If you're going to be able to select height, eye color, and sex, and all of this stuff, it's kind of creepy, and it's crazy to me to think that this is where the world is going. But AI is taking over. You know, they might send you some half human, half robot baby, and they're just doing a whole experiment on everybody who's using this service. And you wonder why your baby why he just stares at the wall like that. You just don't know what they are doing. These people are trying to play God, and I wouldn't want any parts of that personally. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, peace.